Good morning, everyone. Time to wake up. Who wants to go to the playground today?
Me! I want to go. Can we go now?
I always bring the first aid kit, just in case.
Everyone ready? Let's go to the playground. Is the playground far away? Can I run ahead? Please, please, please? Not now, Jack. We walk on the path. Run at the playground.
Look, there's the playground.
Wow! Look at that slide. It's so big.
Here we are. What a beautiful playground.
Remember the rules once we go inside.
This looks like a nice, safe playground.
I'll sit here and watch you all play.
Now listen carefully. Walk on the equipment. Don't run. Be careful.
Your dad is right. Safety first, then fun.
I know the rules. I'll be careful.
Okay, I'll be super careful. Can I go now?
I'm going to swing first. Come find me, Jack.
The slide. I'm gonna slide.
Walk, Jack. Remember to walk.
I'm climbing up. Here I go.
Watch me go. Higher and higher.
Ready, set, whee! That was amazing. Again, this is so fun.
Jack, slow down a little. Walk between slides.
I'm fine, Dad. Watch me.
Look how high I can go. I'm like a bird.
Jack, please listen. Walk on the stairs.
Hello, family. What a nice day for the playground.
Hi, Cindy. Come join us. There's plenty of room. I'd love to. It's such a beautiful day.
Yes, best slide ever. I know. Let me try something cool. Jack, wait. Stop right there.
Jack, what are you doing? That's dangerous.
It's okay. I'm going to run down.
That doesn't look safe at all.
Almost there. Here I come. Ah, my knee. Oh no. Wow, my knee hurts.
Jack. I'll get the first aid kit.
Jack, are you okay? Oh no, Jack. What happened?
Let me see, buddy. Are you okay?
I'm here, Jack. You're going to be okay.
What happened here? Is he hurt?
Let's look at your knee, Jack.
It hurts so much. Look.
It's just a scrape, but it's bleeding. We need to clean it.
I want to go home. I don't like this.
Shh. It's okay. We're here. We have you.
We need to clean it and put on a Band-Aid. You'll feel better. Will it hurt? I'm scared.
Just a little sting, then it'll feel better. You're brave.
Let's sit on the bench and fix up your knee.
Here we go. Sit down right here, Jack.
Does it hurt a lot, Jack?
Now let's clean this up so it doesn't get infected.
Is that going to hurt?
The water will clean it. It'll feel cold, but it won't hurt much.
Hold still, Jack. This will be over quick.
Now I'm cleaning it. Try to stay still.
Ow, that's cold. It stings.
Squeeze my hand, Jack. I'm right here.
Look, the bleeding has stopped already.
It doesn't look so bad now. It's just a little red.
Now we need a Band-Aid to protect it.
The superhero Band-Aid? Can I have that one?
There, all protected. Good as new.
It feels better already. Thank you, Mom.
You were very brave, Jack. I'm proud of you.
Great job, big brother. That was amazing.
I'm really proud of you, Jack. You were so brave.
Jack, can you tell me what happened on the slide?
I was running up the slide and then I fell.
That's right. Running made your foot slip. That's why we walk.
Running on the slide is dangerous. The surface is slippery.
I should have walked instead of run. Now I understand.
What are the rules for staying safe on the slide, Jack?
Walk up the stairs, slide down, don't run, be careful.
That's exactly right. That's what I always do.
Safety rules keep us from getting hurt so we can keep playing.
I want to play more, but I'm going to be more careful now.
How does your knee feel now, Jack?
It feels okay when I don't move it too much. You can play some more, but take it easy today.
I'll show you the safe swings. They're really fun.
Okay, let's try. I'm ready.
My knee is okay. I can walk.
I'll put this away. You kids have fun.
You learned an important lesson today, Jack. I won't forget. I'll always be careful now.
I have to go now, but remember what you learned today.
Thank you, Cindy. See you next time.
Be safe and have fun. Remember the rules.
Where should I play now? Let's walk over to the swings together. I'm walking slowly like you said, Dad. That's right. Hold my hand while we walk.
You can have the swing next, Jack.
That looks fun and safe. I want to try. Higher. Here we go.
My turn now. Push me, Dad.
This is fun. And I'm being safe.
I'm so happy you're feeling better, Jack.
Nice and easy, Jack. Just the right speed.
We can swing together like best friends.
I'm getting a little tired. My knee is okay, but I want to rest.
Let's sit and rest for a while before we go home.
My knee feels much better now. Thank you for helping me. Now you know how to stay safe and have fun at the same time. I'll always walk on the equipment now. No more running.
You're such a smart boy, Jack. I'm very proud of you.
Yes. And tomorrow we can come back and play safely.
Should we go home now? It's getting late.
Same time next week, everyone?